Hello kids, let's learn some 2D shapes. These are our colors. It is pink color, P-I-N-K, pink color. It is orange, O-R-A-N-G-E, orange, orange color. It is red color, R-E-D, red, red color. It is yellow, Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow color. It is blue color, B-L-U-E, blue, blue color. It is green, G-R-E-E-N, green color. It is black color, B-L-A-C-K, black color. Let us draw the shapes. It is rounded rectangle. It is crescent moon. Right triangle. It is hexagon. It is cylinder. It is left right arrow. Now let us color the shapes. It is light green color. It is rounded rectangle. It is pink color. It is crescent moon. It is orange color. It is right triangle. It is red color. It is hexagon. Yellow color. It is cylinder. It is blue color. It is left right arrow. Kids, let us recall the shape's name and color name once again. This is rounded rectangle, green color, crescent moon, pink color, right triangle, orange color, hexagon, red color, cylinder, yellow color, left right arrow, blue color. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and keep learning. Bye bye.